Hey guys, it's that time of year again. It's the Christmas Lantern collaboration. I'm your host, your Styling with Gigi Faison. So, how about you? Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, and maybe even a snack because it is a collaboration. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the content that we will be bringing to you. So, come along. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison. And in today's video, guys, I will be sharing with you how to style your lantern for the Christmas holiday season. Now, this is part of a collaboration and is hosted by the lovely Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and she has several co-hosts, too many for me to name, so I will have all their names and links in my description box below. I may go back and voice over each and every one of them, but if not, please check my description box for all of the other participants that are participating. Now, the host is Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and Lisa at Home with Lisa. So they've asked that we create a lantern for Christmas. This is my lantern here. I've used it several times, so I'm going to clean it up a little bit, and then I will share with you. These are some of the pics that I've pulled from some old garland. Y'all know I'm all about repurposing my old garland. This is an old bowl that I have used before, so I'm going to probably have to redo this one, retie it. Then I have some old pics that I actually pulled from an old swag that I had created, and this is that old garland that I've pulled some of those pics from. This is some more of that remnant from that garland. This is a styrofoam ball that I had painted. I think when my daughter got married, she wasn't sure if she wanted silver or gold, so I created her bouquets. And this is one that I had left over, so I'm going to use this. She went with the gold, so that's one that I had left over. A few large ornaments. Then I have a few of these picks here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not. A little bit of graham. So this is just all my stuff I have laid here on my space. And I am going to start and get this ready for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and clean up my lantern. I'm not going to show the entire process because there are a lot of us, but you see what I'm using. Some of these here, and my mind just may completely change once I get started. But for now, we'll go ahead and clean this up. So today I'm back out at Serenity Place. You guys know this is where I like to come out and make magic happen, but I don't know what kind of magic I'm going to make happen today because I have no idea as to what I am going to do. Now, this is one of those lanterns that I purchased from Target a while back. It's been a couple years now. And I think the regular price on this was $40, and they had a 50% off on it. And so I was able to get it for $20. And then after I thought about it, I wanted to go get another one. And you know how it is when you don't get it the first time around. It will be gone. So this is not going to be too complicated. It's going to be something quick and easy, just to show you how you can use or how you can decorate your lantern for the holiday, for Christmas. If you've not checked out my Christmas videos so far, please do that. I have a playlist link for those, and I will include it in the iCards above. And you just click on that, the little eye up in the corner there. Usually it's the right hand corner, but you never know about YouTube. They will change things up. So, but look for the little eye up in the corner. My first thought in doing this, let me drop you down hot. So, this is what I want to try. I want to try So here I'm just adding glue to the ends of the pick and then inserting them into the foam ball.
Yuletide carol, la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us, la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, la 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 la. Tale of Yuletide treasure, la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, la 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 la.
Hey guys, this is my reveal. This is the top part. I thought I was going to be able to sit it on top of the candle holder and place it on the inside, but it was much too large once I got all of the remnants on the foam ball there. So I just decided to use it as a topper. Added in a few strands of pearls. Is somewhat like garland type pearls. So I have one attached on each side. And then on the inside here, I placed the candle in the back for a little ambiance. Took this larger ornament, added the smaller one on top, created somewhat of a bow and added the brooch here. Placed it on top of this bed of greenery. And guys, this is just to show you how you can allow your imagination to run wild when creating a lantern. You don't always have to go by the traditional ways. You can use your lantern for many different ways in your home decor styling. So this, I actually have it on the dining table. We're out at Serenity Place, so I have it in the center of the table, and I've just added these two little candle holders along the side just to show you, just to give you an idea as to how you can use this. But again, this is what I've created by using remnants of an old piece of garland. Pulled apart some little these little beads. I pulled that and added them into this with the pearls and the ornaments. Again, a special thanks to Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor at Home with Lisa, and to all of the other creators that are participating. I will leave their names and links in my description box below. Please make sure you go over and pay them a visit, as this is the Christmas lantern collaboration. All right, guys, thanks so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and become a part of this family if you would like only by hitting the subscribe button and tapping the notification bell twice, so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos. The fabulous creators that we have for this collaboration, we have the host, Grace Life DIY Home Decor at Home with Lisa, the co-host, Jody at Southern Season, Rustic Lace DIY, Debbie Bubbles, myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, J Mom Creations, Miriam Creative Corner, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Lorna's Decor, Table Talk with Robin, Denise Glam Style Living, and Mabel's Table. All of their channel links will be in my description box below. Please go over and pay them a visit, and we hope you enjoy the content that we have delivered to you guys today. Be blessed, Merry Christmas, and until the next video, I am your host here, Styling with Gigi Faison.